When installing arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, in bedrooms without equipment grounding conductors, or AFCIs, several factors come into play. Since the 2014 National Electrical Code, or NEC, AFCIs are required in all bedrooms. However, the NEC does not specifically address AFCI labeling in circuits without an EGC. This leaves installers with a few options. Firstly, you could install AFCIs without labeling. This option is technically permissible, as the NEC does not explicitly require labeling for AFCIs in circuits without an EGC. However, it may not be the best practice for safety and clarity. Secondly, you can label AFCIs with no ground fault circuit interrupter. Some installers use this label to indicate that the AFCI provides only arc fault protection and not ground fault protection. This labeling method is not standardized and may not be universally recognized. Thirdly, you can install ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, instead of AFCIs. GFCIs provide both arc fault and ground fault protection and are required to be labeled no equipment ground in circuits without an EGC. However, GFCIs do not provide the same level of arc fault protection as AFCIs. The best practice recommendation is to install AFCIs with no equipment ground labels. This approach provides the clearest and most accurate information to future users and inspectors. It indicates that the AFCI is installed in a circuit without an EGC and provides only arc fault protection. To label AFCIs with no equipment ground, firstly, use a permanent marker or label maker. Secondly, clearly write no equipment ground on the AFCI. Thirdly, ensure the label is visible and legible. Additional considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, consider installing an EGC during the upgrade if possible. This would provide complete ground fault protection and would eliminate the need for special labeling. Secondly, ensure that the electrical system is properly grounded and that all grounding components are intact. Thirdly, consult with local authorities or a qualified electrician for specific requirements in your area. In summary, when installing AFCIs in bedrooms without EGC, labeling is crucial for safety and clarity. While the NEC doesn't mandate specific labeling for AFCIs in this situation, using no equipment ground labels provides the most accurate information. Remember to consider installing an EGC for complete protection and always consult with local experts for specific requirements.